Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unwrap this. This is for my son's birthday, my wife got. So let's go ahead and open this up. Hopefully there's no invoice in here. Let's take one out. There's one, two, three. Oop, this invoice. It seems like there are like 5 pieces in here. Oh no, only 4. Never mind. So one is the receipt. So here are the description for the 4 pieces. I got a knit jogger and stretch twill jogger. I'm not sure what's the other one. A cotton black stretch. So these are the jogger. Wow. 511 Levi's. It's an urban pipeline. And then you got this Adidas. Nice. This is the zip up hoodie. Original price $55. Anyway, I cannot open this because this is a gift made in India. This one is the urban pipeline again, Max Flex, built to flex. And this is a 511 slim stretch jean, Levi Strauss and Company, 29 by 30. So hopefully when he open it up later, we could maybe do a try on fit video for you guys. But right now I can't. I gotta put this in a gift bag or gift box and ready to give it to him. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace. Alright, here is the unboxing video. Wow, this is nice material. Pretty soft. I like it. Yeah, Joe. It's been better than freaking Anti-Social Soldier Club.
Really?
Check it out.
Oh yeah, so
I'm trying. Got this, what is this one? Jogger pants. Ooh, zipper.
That's not cheap, is it? We gotta go to dinner. I can't do lunch right now because I gotta do a lot of things for you Monday.
Okay.
Nothing fits, okay? Oh, just eat something for
Oh.
lunch, and then we
Let
go.
me take it out. I'm gonna film it later.
We go to late lunch, maybe around 3, because I gotta do for 5x7 pictures.
Okay.
And you have to wear ugly Christmas sweater, pajamas, or Christmas printed shirt tomorrow, right?
It's so big.
Well, it's size medium.
It's a small.
Oh, these are soft.
I'm not buying him no small, okay? He's gonna grow. I'm not buying no people in this family small. I think it's medium. And you make me buy small, what if it didn't fit, okay?
Look at the waist on this thing.
He's gonna tie, look, size medium right there. You're not wearing small, Joe, okay? Sorry. You gotta grow.
It fits pretty good.
He's not wearing no small. I'm not buying no small. That's a medium too. I don't know their product, how they do it. Is that Levi?
No, Urban Outfit, Urban Pipeline. This one's Levi. Levi is good. I hope he bought it $7 like me. $3-4.
No, I'm using my $30 gift card. That thing is $16.99 or something.
Only?
That jacket is $49.99.
Still a good price.
The jacket is $49.99.
Here, now there's
These are cold.
a coat.
Got the rivet.
Are you kidding? You wash that, that thing's gonna shrink. How am I gonna buy you the small? Look at this medium, okay?
Oh, yeah.
Just tie the waist. And stop wearing that ugly jean that you have. Just wear this one when we go out for fancy, whatever.
Wait, which
You have the jean that's funny.
shirt?
No, the one that looks just like that.
Oh,
With
yeah.
the-
Oh,
What they come on with so many freaking
It doesn't
tags?
look good, then where do you wear it?
Because it's only pants I have.
No, it's not true. I bought you pants. And you know what, Joseph? I already told you a week ago, you're gonna wear that 2002 December t-shirt right now. I told him to go find his birthday t-shirt from last year that I spent a lot of time looking for it on Etsy, okay? Go get it for today. It's in your closet. I gave you the whole week to look for it and you didn't do that and you disappoint me.
Yeah, try this on. Hopefully you guys could like the video, hear all this background yelling, and then thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.
Look at that.